Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the Apple ID signed into Safari and that screen time or restrictions isn't blocking changes. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and go straight to Screen Time or Content and Privacy. Make sure you know the device passcode. Without it, you cannot change Safe Search. If you updated iOS or Mac OS recently, restart the device to clear lingering policy caches before adjusting content filters. Next, in Screen Time, choose Content and Privacy, then Content Restrictions, and tap Web Content. Change the setting to limit adult websites or unrestricted access depending on your goal. For Macs, open Safari Preferences, go to Search, and toggle the Safe Search option for the selected search engine. If using Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo, confirm each engine's built-in Safe Search setting too. These steps control both Safari's behavior and the search provider's filters, which together enforce Safe Search results. Finally, close Safari and restart the device to apply changes fully, then test searches in private and normal windows. If Safe Search still blocks or won't disable, check router parental controls or DNS filters like OpenDNS that may override the device. If necessary, sign out of the Apple ID, reset screen time, or remove the screen time passcode and reapply the desired settings. One troubleshooting tip: create a new user profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.